Congratulations on completing the Power Virtual Agents journey. We've traveled from concept to reality, starting with the low-code foundation of the Microsoft Power Platform. We mastered the core building blocks, like topics and triggers, before diving into visually authoring conversations with variables and branching logic. We then connected those bots to the real world using Power Automate actions and deployed them across channels like Teams and the web. Ultimately, you've seen the future. Rapid, efficient, democratized AI that frees up human agents. You are now fully empowered to build intelligent bots and transform your business processes. Let's explore the rise of everyday AI and Power Virtual Agents. Artificial intelligence is already all around us. It's the seamless, dynamic system powering features like Smart Search for beach or baby photos, face recognition, and even design suggestions and auto captions in software like PowerPoint. In the business world, the Microsoft Power Platform offers low-code tools for everyone to analyze data, build solutions, and automate processes. This platform is the foundation for Power Virtual Agents, the first standalone AI app. But what exactly is it? Unlike massive general-purpose assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, used for weather or sports, Power Virtual Agents is a specialized, business-centric chatbot focused on support or policies. It democratizes chatbot creation, meaning absolutely no coding is needed. Here is how it works. It bridges human intent with automated action. It starts with user intent, guides them through a structured conversation to gather information and interpret responses using AI, and finally performs an automated execution. Ultimately, it is making conversational interfaces accessible to everyone. Let's explore the building blocks of Power Virtual Agents' core concepts, designed for intuitive AI development without complex coding. It begins with topics and triggers, the starting point of interaction. Topics define specific subjects or intents, like a help desk ticket. They are activated by user phrases, using AI that understands intent, rather than just matching keywords to find the correct topic path. Next are entities, used for extracting information. They identify and categorize significant data from natural language input, like recognized dates or numbers, allowing for natural conversation flow. Third, we use the canvas and testbot to build and verify. The canvas acts as a visual flowchart for defining conversation logic. The integrated testbot allows you to simulate real-time interactions to verify triggers and flow. Finally, channels let you deploy and engage. You publish the finished bot to platforms where users already are, such as Microsoft Teams or Slack, handling multiple deployments simultaneously with a straightforward process. Designing a Power Virtual Agent conversation happens on the authoring canvas. Think of it not as coding, but like writing a script or building a flowchart. You map out the journey step by step, starting with a topic and trigger phrases to guide the user naturally toward a resolution. The core building blocks are messages, which just display text, and questions, which prompt for input. You can set questions as multiple choice for structured data, or accept the user's entire free text response. Crucially, you can capture these answers using variables. This lets you store information, like a user's name, and reference it later to personalize the experience. The canvas also supports powerful branching logic with conditions. Based on a user's response, the conversation can split into different paths, like separating hardware from software issues, and then merge back together, balancing thorough collection with efficiency. This sketch illustrates how to connect your bot to the real world using actions and channels. In the top quadrant, we see actions, which enable the bot to perform heavy technical lifting. Think of the Power Virtual Agent as a receptionist that collects structured info. To process that info, it calls an action using Power Automate, the back office worker. This flow connects to systems like SharePoint, email, or CRM to execute tasks. Crucially, it returns information, such as a unique ticket ID, back to the bot for a final confirmation message, creating a seamless closed-loop system. The bottom quadrant shows channels, which is all about reaching users where they already are. Once your bot is finished, you don't need to recreate it for different places. You author it once and then deploy it across various platforms, whether that's internally on Microsoft Teams, publicly embedded on a website, or on social media like Facebook Messenger. This ensures consistent logic across all touchpoints. Let's look at the practical benefits and future of business chatbots. First, they drastically lower barriers to entry, allowing for rapid development. It's fast. No developers are needed. Business and HR professionals can now build a functional demo bot in just 20 minutes, swapping slow traditional cycles for rapid prototyping. Next, they drive automation and efficiency. In a help desk scenario, we move from the old way of frustrating long forms to a new conversational experience where clever branching logic skips unnecessary questions to speed up resolution. Thirdly, bots handle FAQs, providing instant, accurate answers 24/7 instead of digging through a 50-page handbook. They act as a first line of defense for routine queries, freeing human agents for complex tasks requiring empathy. Ultimately, this is about democratizing AI. Chatbots are the stepping stone to broader AI adoption for everyone, leading to advanced capabilities like predicting future outcomes. Congratulations on completing the Power Virtual Agents journey. We've traveled from concept to reality, starting with the low-code foundation of the Microsoft Power Platform. We mastered the core building blocks, like topics and triggers, before diving into visually authoring conversations with variables and branching logic. We then connected those bots to the real world using Power Automate actions and deployed them across channels like Teams and the web. Ultimately, you've seen the future. Rapid, efficient, democratized AI that frees up human agents. You are now fully empowered to build intelligent bots and transform your business processes.